Hey guys, today we're gonna open up Chase and Skye from Paw Patrol. These are really cool toys. I got them at Toys R Us. Chase has his police car here. He can sit in. Here he is here wearing his police hat. It comes with 3 little bunnies. And also we have Skye wearing her goggles. And not only that, she has a little helicopter. She can fit right in here. Open the door. There's some traffic cones as well. Let's see on the back of the box. They're showing how to put Skye into her helicopter. There's Chase in the police truck. Skye in her toy helicopter. Alright guys, so this looks like a really fun toy. Let's open it up and see if it's fun to play with. So here's Chase and Skye out of the box. Hey, wait a second. Something looks wrong with these two. That's it. They're in the wrong vehicles. First we have Skye. Look, she has some goggles on that she can fly with. She has a backpack. She can move her head. And she's so cute. She comes with a helicopter. The helicopter can spin. There's little doors that open up into wings on both sides. And there's a little spot where Skye can sit in. This here is Chase. Chase is dressed in his police uniform. He's got a police hat on, backpack. His tail can wag, his legs can move. And here's Chase's police car. Pretty cool. And you can fit inside. And the set also comes with 3 little bunnies that the Paw Patrol can save. So let's see if we can save the 3 bunnies. Chase, that evil dragon is attacking the rabbits. You're right, Skye. We have to save them. Chase is on the case. Let's take to the sky. I'm gonna eat these rabbits. No, you're not, because Chase is on the case, and these paws uphold the laws. Chase, Skye, hurry up, save the rabbits. I fell off. Come on, bunnies, jump in. Take that, dragon. I'm bringing you to jail. Let's hook his tail. Yay, Chase, we saved the baby rabbits. We sure did, because that's what the Paw Patrol does. So if you guys liked our video, please press the thumbs up. Show in the comments which one you like better, either Chase or Skye. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Talk to you later.